What is good, YouTube? It's Leon from Sneaker Clinic, and today we're gonna do a cleaning tutorial. Yeah, you guys, hype beast, excited? Air Jordan 1 off-whites. It's kind of dirty. Let's have a 360 look at these clean. No one cares about these. The bottoms, dirty, nasty. Look at this cheap material. We're gonna do a full premium clean inside and out. Grab your cloths. You're gonna need shoe trees. I got all three Rejuvenator brushes, soft, medium, stiffy, clean water. Of course, your safe cleaning solution for this expensive shoes, and a pair of scissors. Why? You see this useless, cheap Chinese zip frickin' tag? I'm gonna leave the laces on, you know me, because I'm not afraid of any color bleeding. All right, let's just pour some, make some music. All right, that's too much. Don't waste my solution. I'm gonna start with the soft. Put your shoe tree in the shoe. Whirl it all around. Oh, whoops. Shake off some. I'm just going to go ahead and clean the entire uppers, the inside as well, the sock liner, all that nasty stuff with the soft bristle brush. Pat it dry, then use the medium brush. Do the second round. The outsoles, the midsoles, use the stiffy brush. Duh. Let's just clean this. Look at the stains. Now, because of the exposed foam and because of this material in general, it's actually cheap. I'm not lying. It's going to yellow over time. I guess that's why they call this off-whites. All right, just keep cleaning. So, Zack Snyder's Justice League. I actually watched that movie, 4-hour marathon. It's actually not bad, to be honest with you. I'd rather watch that again, and Justice is Gray, 8 hours in total, then clean another pair of off-whites. Is the time lapse done? Oh my God. And let's start cleaning the inside. Oh yes, look at that stain. We're gonna try to get this a little bit whiter. Justice is Gray. Hold on. Oh yeah. Stay awake, Leon. Let's medium bristle brush the entire shoe inside and out, except for the delicate, cheap, but expensive off-white material. Let's just do it.